Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best radio dash kit is probably one of the most effective upgrades you can make to your 2011 Ford F-150. This video will guide you through the process of installing a radio dash kit, transforming your truck's audio system and integrating modern technology. We'll cover everything from selecting the right kit to the final installation steps, ensuring you can enjoy a seamless and enhanced driving experience. Number 5. Scosche FD1438B Dash Kit for Ford F-150 XL. Introducing the Scosche FD1438B Dash Kit, custom designed for 2009 to 2012 Ford F-150 XL models. This kit ensures a perfect fit for your new aftermarket car stereo, whether it's double day-in or single day-in with a pocket. Check the fit guide to confirm compatibility. The FD1438B boasts a sleek design and factory-matched texture. It seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's interior, giving your new stereo a professional, factory-installed appearance. Installing your new car stereo is a breeze with this kit. It includes all the necessary hardware and easy-to-follow instructions, so you can do it yourself. No special tools are required. The Scosche Dash Kit is designed with an industry-standard radio opening. Keep in mind that oversized radios may require minor adjustments. Always verify your stereo's dimensions before you buy it. The FD1438B is made from high-quality materials, ensuring it securely holds your new car radio. It's built to withstand daily use and provide long-lasting performance. You can rely on Scosche, a brand known for its commitment to quality car audio solutions. This product is backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and limited warranty, so you know it's a good choice. What we like. This Scosche kit is designed for a perfect fit, ensuring a seamless integration with your F-150. It's also super easy to install, saving you time and money. If you're looking for a hassle-free upgrade with a factory-installed look, you should consider this one. What people say. Shape and size exactly as factory. Installed in my 2012 F-150, everything went flawless. It is very good quality. It's got a sort of rubbery finish to it which I was concerned about at first, thinking that it would come off. However, it looks like the day I put it in the truck still, and it's been 2 years. It hasn't been any warping, cracking or anything that you would expect to see in an inferior product. This is not an inferior product, it is as good as the OEM bezel. Highly recommended. It was an exact fit and easy to install. Number 4. Metra 95-5820HG Kit for Ford F-150. This Metra Dash Kit is designed specifically for 2009 and up Ford F-150 vehicles. It ensures a seamless integration with your car's dashboard, providing a clean and professional look. Manufactured with precision tolerances, this kit guarantees a perfect fit. You won't have to worry about unsightly gaps between the dash and the kit. The kit features a factory-style texture, blending seamlessly with your car's interior. It maintains the original aesthetic of your vehicle. Made from high-grade ABS plastic, this kit is built to last. It's durable and resistant to wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust in the quality and craftsmanship of this American-made dash kit. What we like. Metra's kit is all about precision, offering a gapless fit that looks fantastic. The factory-style texture blends seamlessly with your existing dash. If you value a clean, professional look and want a kit made in the USA, this is the one for you. What people say. Fit my 2011 F-150 perfect and looks great with the new double-din stereo installed. Looks better than the carbon fiber trim I have in my F-150. Wasn't sure how it would look, but you have to stare to notice it didn't come with the truck. Great product. Fits great. Install was very simple. Number 3. Metra 95-5820B Double-Din Kit for Ford F-150. Tired of your old car stereo? This kit is designed to help you easily install a new double-din radio in your Ford F-150. It's a simple way to modernize your truck's sound system. This kit provides a perfect fit for double-din radios. It ensures a clean and professional look, integrating your new radio seamlessly into your dashboard. You'll love how it looks. The kit is painted matte black, matching your vehicle's interior. This finish provides a sleek, factory-installed appearance. It blends in perfectly with your dashboard. The package includes brackets and panel clips for easy installation. Everything you need is included, making the installation process straightforward. It's designed to save you time and effort. This kit is compatible with Ford F150 XL, 2009 to 2014, F150 XLT, 2009 to 2012, and specific 2013 F150 models. Make sure it fits your specific vehicle before purchasing. Check the details to ensure it works for you. What we like. This Metra kit provides a double-DIN radio provision, opening up a world of audio possibilities. It's painted matte black to match your interior. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-frills solution that includes all the necessary hardware, this is a great choice. What people say. Worked perfectly. Quality product. Makes my aftermarket radio look like a factory original. Easy to install. Perfect fit, sturdy, looks OEM. Number 2. Metra 95 to 5819 kit for 2009 Ford F150. Are you looking to upgrade your car's audio system? This kit is designed specifically for 2009 to 2014 Ford F150 base models. It allows you to install a new double-DIN radio. This kit is versatile. It can accommodate either a double-DIN or dual ISO mount, giving you flexibility in your radio choice. This makes it easy to find the perfect fit for your needs. This kit is designed for base models only, without the Plus package. It ensures a seamless integration with your vehicle's existing dashboard. It's a perfect match. The kit is painted to match the factory finish of your dashboard. This ensures a clean, professional look after installation. It blends in perfectly. Made from OEM quality ABS plastic, this kit is built to last. It is designed to leave no gaps between the dash and the kit. This ensures durability and a perfect fit. Installing a new radio has never been easier. This kit is designed for a straightforward installation process. You'll have your new radio up and running in no time. What we like. This Metra kit is specifically designed for base model F150s. It's designed to leave no gaps between the dash and the kit. If you have a base model F150 and want a kit that perfectly matches your interior, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit worked perfectly in my 2012 F150 standard cab. Used it with a JVC double-DIN head unit and it fits nicely using the factory trim surround. Worked out very well on my 2014 Ford F150 XLPU. Looks great. If you don't want any gaps or holes, this works, wonderful item, and make it look all stock on my truck. Number 1. Metra 95-5820 SS Radio Installation Kit for Ford F150. Are you looking to upgrade your car's radio? This installation kit is designed specifically for select Ford F150 trucks. It makes the process easy and seamless. This kit is designed for double-DIN ISO radios. It ensures a perfect fit, allowing you to integrate your new radio without any gaps. The kit is manufactured with precision tolerances. This means a gapless fit between the dash and the kit, providing a clean and professional look. It's painted to match your factory dash color. This ensures that it blends perfectly with your car's interior, maintaining a cohesive aesthetic. Made from high-grade ABS plastic, this kit is built to last. It's a durable solution for your radio installation needs. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust its quality and craftsmanship. What we like. This Metra kit is designed for a gapless fit, ensuring a seamless integration with your dash. It's painted to match your factory dash color. If you want a kit that blends perfectly with your interior and is made in the USA, then this is the one for you. What people say. The unit is almost a perfect color match to the factory faceplate and came with the brackets and clips to install your new radio. Only difficult part was to install the squeeze clips onto the plastic tabs so they can clip into the dash of the vehicle, but overall great piece. Looks great, perfect fit in my F-150. Perfect fit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.